Hello viewer, if your YouTube comments disappearing or YouTube comments gone, let's see how to fix YouTube comment not loading problem. Step 1. Open your YouTube app. Go to your YouTube profile from the lower right corner. Now go to YouTube setting from the top right corner. Now click on General. Now turn off Restricted Mode. Now go back and follow the most important part. Tap and hold on YouTube app. Click on I button. Scroll down. Click on YouTube Storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from YouTube app. For iPhone user, please archive your app and then restore it for clearing cache data. Now go back and follow the most crucial part. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search YouTube app. From here, update your YouTube app and download its latest version. After complete the update process, follow the last important part. Open your phone setting. Go to your connection setting. From here, make sure your internet connection is stable, and if you already connected with any VPN or proxy network, please disable your VPN or proxy network because it can create YouTube comments not loading error. So follow all of this step to fix YouTube comments disappearing or YouTube comments gone problem.